And welcome back to Carolina and Company Live. Now, your lawyers at the beach, these guys can give you any kind of legal advice you need if you need help. And Jean's with us today to talk about.
That's right. And we're talking about financial transaction card theft and fraud, which unfortunately, that can happen, right?
It can happen, and especially this time of the year is an important time to know about this. Financial transaction card theft and fraud deals with the unauthorized or illegal or fraudulent use of a financial transaction card, which is a credit card or a debit card, or the use of that account number or information to obtain goods and services or money. There's several different types of conduct which fall under that, including the theft of the actual card, or maybe obtaining a card by false pretenses, providing false information to a bank, for example, to get that. You know, it's even against the law to knowingly and intentionally exceed your credit limit on a card and then not pay that amount back within a timely fashion.
All right. Now, does South Carolina have specific laws to deal with this?
We do. We actually have a Financial Transaction Card Act, which specifies conduct which is considered to be fraudulent or illegal. And it lists all those different things that we just talked about and then some, and provides for specific criminal penalties for those who are found guilty of that conduct.
What are some of those penalties?
It varies depending on the nature of the conduct and the amount of money involved, but typically somebody who is found guilty of financial transaction theft or fraud is facing a fine of up to $5,000 per count, per charge, and prison time of up to 5 years.
So if somebody spent $100, then they have to pay $5,000.
It's very, very possible. That's correct.
And what someone would probably do is use the card to do it with. No, I'm just kidding. But this happened to me. My card was at Home Depot.
Yes, sir.
I had to get a new card because one of mine was one of the ones that was taken.
Right.
It's happened a lot. I think
lately.
I've had 3 new credit cards issued to me just in the past year because of the numbers getting on.
And especially this time of the year when so many people are making so many purchases and they're pulling that plastic out. You just got to be very, very careful.
Check it. Check it close. Now, what can I do to prevent this?
There's a few things that we suggest. First of all, don't give your card information, your account information out over the phone or on the internet unless you're dealing with a company that you know is a reputable company. This time of year, you got a lot of scam artists that call you up soliciting donations for charities that sound very real. If you want to donate to a charity, write a check to that charity and send it in to them. Be careful disposing of your card statements or your bills or your receipts. Don't just throw those in the trash.
Cut them up.
Tear them up, shred them up, burn them, or something like that.
Okay.
All right, Jean. Thank you so much.
Yes, sir.
And I know that I have one specific one that I use, you know, for internet purchases, and then one for stores. And kind
My wife has one that she uses a lot.
As long as you have plastic, you've got money.
I didn't mean to say that, honey.
Check about Your Lawyers at the Beach. You can go to yourlawyersatthebeach.com. They can answer all your legal questions, and they're there if you need them.